Welcome to Ukulele Hymns. This week I'd like to share the hymn Abide with Me. And it's going to be the key of C. Here are the chords that you need: C, F, G, D minor, A minor, and A. Let's play through the hymns once through. We're going to use the strumming pattern for double time or quadruple time, just down, down, up, down. Okay, so let's go. Abide with me, fast falls the eventide. The darkness deepens, Lord, with me abide. When other helpers fail and comforts flee, help of the helpless, oh, abide with me. Grab your song sheets and let's play through the entire hymn once through. Abide with me, fast falls the eventide. The darkness deepens, Lord, with me abide. When other helpers fail and comforts flee, help of the helpless soul, abide with me. Swift to its close, acts out life's little day. As joys grow dim, its glories pass away. Change and decaying all around I see. Oh, thou who changest not, abide with me. I need thy presence every passing hour. What but thy grace can foil the tempter's power? Who like thyself my guide and stay can be? Through cloud and sunshine, Lord, abide with me. I fear no foe, with thee at hand to rest. Ills have no weight, and tears no bitterness. Where is that sting? Where grave thy victory? I triumph still if thou abide with me. Hold thou thy cross before my closing eye. Shine through the gloom and point me to the skies. As morning breaks and earth's faint shadows flee, in life, in death, O Lord, abide with me. So that was the hymn Abide With Me. I really enjoyed this hymn. I think the words are extremely meaningful, especially the last line of each verse. And I'll just quote the last verse: in life, in death, O Lord, abide with me. See you next time.